संसार के आधार हो। आपके उपकार का हम ऋण चुका सकते नहीं, बिन कृपा के शांति सुख का सार पा सकते नहीं। हे दयामय आप ही संसार के आधार हो, संसार के आधार हो।
I thank you, Jatin, to offering such a divine prayer unto the lotus feet of Thakurji. Your Excellencies, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, and all my dear friends, a very good morning to present one and all the present in this auditorium. On behalf of Atmiya Group of Institutions, I welcome you all in the world of next generation computing technologies. It gives me a great pleasure to extend you a warm welcome on behalf of Sri Eminent Virani Science College, a wing of Atmiya Group of Institutions, and to say how fortunate we are and how grateful we are to Dr. Y.P. Costa and Dr. B.V. Buddhadev to convene this one-day national level symposium on this topic. We are privileged to have with us the chief guest of our symposium, Dr. Vinod Rathod. I also welcome all the researchers, academicians, various faculties and students coming from the different colleges who have participated in this symposium. Here I would like to take this opportunity to present a glimpse of Virani Science College, a futuristic center providing the higher education in the professional courses. Virani Science College is proliferating over 23 acres, surrounded by the flourishing beauty of the nature and situated on the Khalawal Road, Rajkot, the heart of Rajkot and definitely the developing educational hub of Gujarat. A visionary and the most secular saint of the nation, Param Pujya Hariprasad Swamiji, has made tremendous efforts for the upliftment and welfare of the society and this institute as well. He says that true knowledge, freedom and real awareness are very significant in human life. Swamiji firmly believes that these virtues can be easily achieved by sincerity, regularity, discipline and duty. He also says that bliss is innate in nature, so one has to rediscover it from within. Thus, spirituality and education must go hand in hand. Param Pujya Hariprasad Swamiji's constant and unstopped efforts have redefined love and spirituality into the hearts of youths by his master touch. It also the result of Swamiji's vision that it has been a tradition of Virani Science College to impart the education in such a dynamic way that cultivates the future generation, the generation that will shape and that will provide the vital role in the shaping the future of our nation. Param Pujya Hariprasad Swamiji is the main source of inspiration for the entire Atmiya campus. Now coming to the world of computers, I can say that computers are ubiquitous. So on the occasions like these, we get opportunities to test our knowledge and the understandings. We look forward to get an exposure about what the best of brains think about of this very interesting topic, technology in 21st century. Today, I am going to say, and I am very glad to say, that today's symposium is being live webcasted on the internet. So, this is the first kind of its kind of symposium in the Saurashtra region. So we must say that it is a unique achievement of entire Atmiya campus and we all. Now, on this occasion, we are privileged to welcome our esteemed guests with the bouquet. On this special occasion, we would like to welcome our honorable guests with the feeling of our hearts. Flowers are for the best means to communicate the feelings of love and joy, of hope and bliss, of honor and gratitude. We would like to offer a bouquet to our guests as the token of our care and concern. First of all, I would like to call Mr. Sarthak to come upon this dais and offer a garland to Thakurji. I request the persons to come as quick as possible. So Jatin is going to offer the garland to Thakurji. Then after, I request Pujya Stavan sir to come up on the stage and offer a bouquet to Pujya Tyag Vallabh Swamiji. I request Donga sir to come on the dais and offer a bouquet to Honorable Dr. G.C. Bhimani sir. G.C. Bhimani sir is the Dean of Science Faculty, Saurashtra University, Rajkot. His kind support and motivation has helped us a lot in the making the dream of today's symposium come true. Thank you very much sir for being here. Then after, I call upon Sachin to offer a bouquet to Dr. Vinod Rathod, the chief guest of our symposium. May I have Ronil here to offer a bouquet to Dr. Y.P. Costa. Dr. Y.P. Costa is the director of Marwadi Group of Institutions, Rajkot. We are privileged to have him in this symposium as the keynote speaker today. Please give him a big hand. Then may I request Siddhant to come on the dais and offer a bouquet as a care of concern to Dr. B.V. Buddhadev sir. Sir is the head of Department Computer and Science and Information Technology of LD Engineering College, Ahmedabad. We are fortunate to have him as the plenary speaker of the symposium. May I now request Akhil to come on the stage and offer a bouquet to Honorable Dr. A.U. Patel sir. A.U. Patel sir is our Honorable Principal, Sri M.N.N. Virani Science College, Rajkot. He is not only a dynamic leader, but a motivator and also the best spiritual guide and an all-rounder personality for the students. May I call Vivek Tang to come upon the stage and offer a bouquet to Honorable Dr. Desai. Dr. Desai is sitting in the auditorium in the audience. Dr. Desai is the principal of Atmiya Institute of Technology and Science, Rajkot. He is a person with a great sincerity and dedication to his duty. Thank you, sir, for being here. Today on this special occasion, I am going to announce something special. Actually, we all know that nowadays trees are being cut in a higher volume of printing purpose, and this is the prime cause of global warming. To fight with this challenge and to protect the planet, we at Virani Science College has adopted a new vision of the publication. From today, we are going to launch our green magazine, GMAG, and yes, this is for the first time when someone has taken such a remarkable step to protect the environment. Moving forward the symposium, now we are going to have our welcome speech. I would like to request Dr. G.C. Bhimani sir, who is already, I have said that, who is Dean of Science Faculty, Saurashtra University, and without his kind support of him, this symposium would not be possible. So I request Honorable Dr. G.C. Bhimani to say few words for this institute and for this symposium.
Today, the world of computer, it gives me a great pleasure to be here with you in this occasion. And that inaugural function of this UGC-sponsored one-day national level conference on next generation computing technologies. The person who always give me the bless, and the person who always showering his blessing on this campus, that is His Excellency Pragat Brahm Swarup Pujya Hari Prasad Swami. Equally, the spiritual personality and the vision, the person who are having the vision for the upliftment of the society, entire the region, and whose blessing is always on, I personally feel that whose blessing is always on me, that is Pratasmaraniya Pujya Tyagvallabh Swami ji. My dear faculty member and the principal of this institute, Dr. Ashok Patel, the keynote speaker, Dr. Costa, the plenary speaker, and head of the computer department, LD Engineering College, Dr. Buddhadev, my guru, Dr. V.R. Rathod, my dear colleagues, and my dear students, brothers and sisters. Today, if we consider the lighting the lamp on a table, so just I was watching and I count that lamp, it is 16. If you count that one by one, the number of lighting lamp is 16. And I don't know, fortunately or unfortunately, the each and every lamp are having its own value. Value in the sense that each and every lamp are having the correlation with the number of participants, including the faculties. Because these are the 16, and we are having more than 1600 participants, including the faculties. It means each and every lamp are having the 100 values. You can see that 100 values for each and every lighting the lamp. Though I am a man of statistics, a little bit use the computer, and I know whatever be the mistake is done by the computer people, or whatever be the mistake is done by the system itself, then the generally computer people says that it is computer by default. This is a common word as far as the computer world is concerned. But the 2 days when we are having the two great personalities, one as a keynote speaker and other one as a plenary speaker, that is Dr. Costa and Dr. Buddhadev. But I would like to mention one thing as the knowledge which I have, that in the next generation, earlier we are having the computer with the big dimension that I have seen at Indian Statistical Institute, Calcutta. And then after that converts into 8286, then PCs, then